Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a processing of paper. Nowadays, paper is a very common thing used for writing, printing and packing. The modern world cannot do anything without paper. At first, wood is cut or bamboos are cut up and cleaned. Then the cut pieces are ground into pulp in a big machine. Next, the pulp is put into great tanks and mixed with lime to make it soft and white. The pulp is then boiled. After it, the pulp is passed over wire mesh, which is kept moving by rollers. Then wet paper is produced. The wet paper is then passed through another machine which has big rolls. Then the wound sheets are cut into different sizes such as double crown, foolscap, etc. Then the papers are packed into reams and at last those reams are sent to market for sale. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.